new clip of Relaxing Inline Skating Questions. This time I'm actually going to make this very quick because I want to talk about the 45-degree buckle. This is a very important part that keeps your foot strapped in securely whenever you have some very serious skating to do. So what I'm curious about is if you're using as a 45-degree buckle a strap, a micro ratchet buckle, or just a regular buckle. What actually works for you and why? What are you using it for? Personally, I am looking right now at my DEM 908, which I've mounted with the 125mm wheels from Rollerblade. I'm looking to perhaps mount a micro ratchet system. So I'm really curious what experience you've had with different types of straps or buckles. Okay guys, so take care and until next time, stay safe and skate safe.